Hello, welcome back to my new logo design tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a logo for a winning project. After watching this video, you will be able to design a logo for winning the projects. So watch the video till the end. Create a new page and take the size 500 pixels into 500 pixels. Go to the file place and place the sketch photo. Embed a line at center. Lock the photo. Go to the curvature tool. Make it carefully. Yeah, this is perfect. Make a line and increase the stroke size. Go to the width tool and fix it. Go to the object and expand it. Take a line to delete this. Select and delete by using the Shape Builder tool. Now make the window. Pick the colors. Unlock all and delete the sketch photo. Now type the logo name. I'm using Nexa Free Font Family. I'm also adjusting the font. You can do it the same way. Yes, this is perfect. Take a background shape. Arrange it and send it back. Change the color. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.